I'm putting this one off because if I know my sister, this is going to be really sour. I may be wrong. Oh, it's got a picture of a banana, peach, and pineapple on the front. Yeah. 36 calories, that's not bad. I can't get in the packet. I slit the lid off, but I'm going to have to cut down the... Bear with me. 10 minutes later. This is in trouble with having bad hands sometimes. You just can't get into packets. Right. Let's roll it up and go all in one. If it's sour, I'll regret it. It's true. I'm not going to look good in this video because I quite enjoyed all of them. I don't think I enjoyed that much of the chocolate poker biscuits. But yeah, that was not too sour, very fruity, which I liked. So I'm going to give that a good 7.5.